Hey guys, Chris again from ClassicVWBugs.com, and in this video we're going to go over the new and improved LED headlamps by VintageCarLEDs.com. Guys, we're working on a 1965 Build-A-Bug restoration project for a guy named Rich, and he opted to go for a 12-volt conversion on his Beetle and also go for LED headlamps. Now, you guys know several years ago I did a video on YouTube putting the LED headlamps into your vintage dub, and a very popular video, and you guys can still use that link to purchase the set of bulbs, but now you'll get the new and improved set. What's nice about the new set is that there's no more fan in this bulb, so it's got a passive heat sink in it, so you don't have to worry about the fan failing anymore, and that fan did actually make a little bit of noise, even though you didn't hear it as you were in the car. You also have a better beam pattern on the lens, the better focal point, and also now the lens is a Hella. So that's a little bit better for correctness, for show quality, and it's just a better quality lens overall. So we're going to pop this into the BuG. I'm going to show you how to put it into the headlight bucket and how to mount it onto the car. It's pretty straightforward, pretty self-explanatory on how to do this, but I'll get into the nitty-gritty on how to actually mount it and put it onto your Beetle. If you want to purchase a set of these bulbs, there is a link in the description below this video where you can purchase a set, and please be sure to use the Classic VW Bugs coupon code to get 10% off. And also, while you're at it, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so anytime I put up a video, you are notified. But all right, guys, let's get to it. So here's our headlight bucket. This is a brand new bucket from Wolfsburg West, I believe. And they give you brand new assemblies, which they come out very nice, very well put together. And here's our bulb. So let's do it.
All right. So the first thing I always do when I do any headlight bucket, whether it's brand new or something that we just took off a car, is I put down a microfiber cloth just to prevent any scratches from happening when you're putting this together. What you want to take a look at is this ring that comes with it. Also, the one that you remove from your car will have a ring like this. These have little tabs on it. Got 3 of them, and they fit inside. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. There's one right down there. But there's 3 of these little cutouts.
Yep.
Where this bracket fits into. The headlight assembly also has 3 notches, and they'll line up only one way with this ring. So if you try to put it on wrong, you can see here, I'm trying to put it here, but it doesn't line up with this one. So what you do is just turn it around till it falls into place. Like that. Perfect. All right. Then you want to line up these little tabs. Let's see, 2 close ones over here. What I like to do is rotate it around till you feel it drop in. And also what you can do is flip the assembly over and look at the position of the bulb.
Yeah, that's got to be right side up.
It's got to be
yep,
like that. And when that all lines up, this will drop in.
Good.
All right, after we get it lined up inside, then we've got to put these little spring clips on. Just very easy, just tuck one side under.
I was testing the other headlight lamp yesterday that you put together.
Yeah.
And those clips went in pretty easy.
Yep.
On the originals, they're pretty tough and can actually fling up and hit you in the face. So guys, do be careful. But
come on, clip in there.
This kit that comes, they seem to go in pretty easy.
And you just work your way around.
And there's the clips all in place. They just snap in. You kind of just go one way with them, just like the originals. All right, let's put it on the car.
All right.
So here's one headlight we already have on the car, and as you can see, the bulb is straight. You can see the logo there. That's the way you want it. You do not want the bulb to be turned or cockeyed in any way. So, but this is great fitment. The new buckets work really well with the original fenders, so props to Wolfsburg West there. But a nice assembly, and yeah, looks stock.
This connector here goes into your wiring harness. Like so.
Stock plug there on the wiring harness. So it's a brand new wiring harness we have in this car, and this plug, this female plug here, comes with your kit. So,
all right, then we got to get a little screwdriver and
to put
hook up the parking light
bulb in. So the parking light bulb, ordinarily you would put that in first before putting in your bulb in the assembly. So it's a little easier to get in. But if you got the bulb in already, this just comes out with one little screw here. You can pop this fixture out and you can pop in the little parking light bulb.
Now, one thing you want to remember is when you're hooking this up, you want to attach it to the screw that goes to this tab. Don't attach it to this one because that's a ground. All right, just make sure that's tight. Okay.
That's a good idea to tap the threads that
In the body there?
in the body. If your car is freshly painted, I did that yesterday. 6mm thread goes through the fender to just make life a lot easier. Trust me, guys. All right. We just got to test them out. Now to adjust the beam, you know, on these headlight buckets, you got these two screws here. This is at 5 and 7, or they say, or you have sometimes the, there's another screw up here on some of the later model headlight buckets.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Yeah.
All right, let's test it out. Nice. All right, they look pretty good. And what we like to do is focus on our garage door so we can see the height of the lights. Steve, can we try the high beams? Whoa, they go pretty high. So they might have to be adjusted downward a little bit. You don't want to blind anybody because LED lights they're bright. So you want to be able to maybe adjust them downward just a little bit. But let's go back standard. There we go. That's pretty good. So even standard, you know, beam is fine for LEDs. They're pretty bright already. But so if you do have to adjust them, you're going to want to adjust them with your adjusting screws on the headlight ring. And that's how you would either adjust them in or out, up and down. So just play with those and then you should be all set. If you guys get any questions, please be sure to email me or pop a comment in the comment section below the video. And I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to the link in the description below this video where you can pick up a set of these LED bulbs. 10% off, classic VW BuGs coupon. Take care.